Do you realize life is too short to be unhappy? Yes, often we do, but can't be happy always, right? Let me discuss few things life is too short for, and later we'll tell you what to focus on. Life is too short to worry about something you cannot control. Worrying doesn't make it better. Life is too short to be fake, trying hard to be something else which you are not. Life is too short to have regrets. Thoughts like, I should have done this or I should not have done. Nothing will change. Moreover, it will steal your present happiness. Life is too short to have long pity parties. Questioning yourself, why this happened to me? Why it always has to be me? It is not necessary to create all the drama in your head. Life is too short to run after people who don't see you. Understand that you don't have control over people's perceptions. Rather, we can focus on these things to make life much happier. Focus on reality. Our minds are designed with a self-defense mechanism. We keep trying to make ourselves on a safer side by often victimizing ourselves by turning and twisting the reality. Understand your mind's tantrums and try to focus on reality. Focus on what you can control. If you feel like something is going wrong, try to identify if you can do anything about it or you cannot. If you can, then start doing it, or else leave it to God and stop worrying. Focus on what matters the most. Prioritize everything in life and work towards what matters the most to you. Focus on yourself. There might be 100 things you want to achieve in your life. Start working towards it. Focus more on yourself than on others. Focus on giving than receiving. Giving something to someone has a feeling of happiness and satisfaction. Receiving is not certain, but you can give anytime you wish. If you feel the video was helpful, then give it a thumbs up. Be happy and blissful, guys. See you.